In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra product options in WooCommerce. If you've been looking for a way to enhance your product pages by offering customers more customization options, like additional fields for text input, drop-down menus, or even date pickers, then this tutorial is for you. WooCommerce by default doesn't offer extensive flexibility for custom product fields, but with the help of a simple plugin, you can easily take your store to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement extra product options seamlessly, giving your customers an enriched shopping experience. To begin, the first thing you need to do is install the extra product options for WooCommerce plugin. This plugin is available directly from the WordPress plugin repository, so you can easily find and install it right from your WordPress dashboard. Once the installation is complete, make sure to activate the plugin. Activating it ensures that it's ready to use and integrates with your WooCommerce setup. Next, head over to the products section in your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll notice that a new tab labeled Extra Product Options has been added within the product settings. This is where all the magic happens. Click on this tab to access the plugin settings and start customizing your product options. Now, to create a new product option, click on the Add Field button. This allows you to create an individual field that your customers can interact with. After clicking, you'll need to choose the field type. There's a drop-down menu with various options, such as a text area, radio box, or even a date picker. Select the one that best suits the type of input you want to collect from your customers. Once you've selected a field type, it's time to enter a name and label for the field. The name is for internal reference, while the label is what your customers will see on the product page. Take your time to make this clear and descriptive so your customers know exactly what the field is for. From here, you can configure additional settings for the field. For instance, you can add placeholder text, which provides a hint or example of what the customer should enter. You can also adjust the number of columns or rows for fields like text areas, set validation rules to ensure customers fill out the information correctly, and mark the field as required if it's something they must complete before adding the product to their cart. Next, you can specify how the field will look on the product page. This includes options like label position, which determines where the label will appear in relation to the field, or adding custom CSS classes if you want to style the field further. Additionally, you can set display rules to control where and when the field will appear. For example, you can set it to show only for certain product categories, specific products, or even products with certain tags. When you're happy with how the field is set up, click Save and Close to finalize it. Then make sure to click Save Changes to apply it to the product. Once you've saved everything, refresh the front end of your site to check that the new custom field appears and functions as expected. If you want to group fields together, you can create a section. To do this, click Add Section within the Extra Product Options tab. Here, you'll need to enter a name and title for the section. The name is for your reference, and the title will be visible to your customers. You can also configure the display position, such as placing the section before or after the Add to Cart button, and adjust the display order if you have multiple sections. You can even tweak the column widths for the section layout. Once everything is set, save your changes. To add fields to the section, simply click Add Field, and repeat the same process as before for each field you want to include. When you're done, click Save Changes to apply the section and its fields. Then, refresh the product page to verify that everything is displaying correctly. For more advanced customization, navigate to the Advanced Settings tab in the plugin. Here you can adjust options like hiding custom fields in the cart or checkout, enabling URL parameters, or even importing and exporting your settings. Don't forget to save any changes you make. Finally, test everything thoroughly. Add a product with custom options to your cart, proceed to checkout, and confirm that the custom data is passed through the order process as expected. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.